Hello! In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Messenger shortcut key. With these features, you will quickly be able to send response to your customers by setting up specific key to your response. For example, if a customer asks for payment instruction, you can set up shortcut key with the word payment, and then when you type in the word payment, a pre-saved message about payment instruction will be sent to the customers automatically. Let's see how it works. First of all, you need to select the page that you want to set up, and then you click Manage. And then after that, you go to Auto Replies menu. And then down here is the Messenger shortcuts. Okay, so I will set the shortcut key as payment. And then you can turn on the additional info here to attach a payment instruction that you already set up in the shop setup. And then I will add a message like inquiries. Just let me know. Okay, so once you are done, click Save. Okay, so I will switch to messengers. Please make sure that you are the admin of the page, and then now you need to send the message to the customers. Okay, so the customer asks, "Hi, how to pay?" and you want to send the payment instruction. You don't want to type, so you can use a shortcut key. So I just type payment. So here is a pre-saved message that I set up as a shortcut key. So you can see here, this is a shortcut key and this is the full message. It's really easy and it's just a few steps to set up. Let's go and try.